guys, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. So well guys, I just paid my, I know I'm gonna pay the Wi-Fi bill. I have to pay my internet bill, or else no upload. So I just pay my internet bill. So I'm here in New Kingston. So over there you have the Pegasus Hotel, and over here you have Housing Trust over there as well too. So today we have a guest. You know, we have our moderator. Not only a guest, we have our moderator is here in Jamaica. Two of our moderator. You know, yeah. We have two of our moderator here today. We have Marie D and also Janiela Faye. You know, we welcome them here today in Jamaica. So I'm here to get them. I'm going to take them down in Trenchtown. You know, because you know they want to visit the team and visit and see what Trenchtown is like, you know, for the first time. So we just want to welcome them and welcome them to Jamaica, you know, and willing to know what the dream team is like and what we're doing in Trenchtown. So Mary D, thank you so much, you know, and Janiela for being my moderator, helping me out, keeping all the negative from out my live chat, you know. So welcome. So guys, so finally we're going to put a face to the name that you always see. So it's always nice to meet our moderators because, you know, you're speaking to someone, you only see the name but you cannot see the face. But now you're going to see the face of my moderators, guys. So stay tuned for that one. You know, I'm going to head there now. This is it.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Yes guys, I am here now at the Airbnb. So this is the Airbnb. So this is an Airbnb, guys. If you want Airbnb to check out, it's called the Bramptons. You know, first time I've seen this Airbnb. You can check it out if you're interested in getting a Airbnb whenever you're in Kingston. So I guess that's the name of it, the Bramptons 6. Alright, I guess so. Alright, so this is it here, and I'm not sure this road, I'm not sure what's the name of this road. I think it's Brampton Road as well too. So over here you have Admark Media. I don't know what is Admark Media for footy. So here's around here is like you got some Airbnbs around here as well too. Over there you got only if I know most of these places. Guys, remember, the reason why I don't even know most of these areas, right? My honest opinion, right? When I was younger, we never get a chance to go many places because, you know, I was living in Trenchtown. And then because of the violence, you know, it kept you inside of your area because you're scared to go on the outside, you know, unless you're going on an outing trip, you know, either with your school or it's an holiday. So because of the violence back in the days, you know, when you're from Trenchtown, you know, you couldn't go to certain areas or certain places because they're going to be targeted from where you are, you know, so you're going to be targeted. So that's why you see I'm not really too familiar with certain place because I left Jamaica when I was about just turned I think 16, right? So I've been away for like how many years? So I only just came back since I'm an adult, a big man. So most place I don't know. So forgive me. Hey, so guys, so here we have one of our moderator. Blessings, guys.
Daniela Faye.
So guys, so this is Daniela Faye that you always see in the comment section. So welcome. So this is Daniela Faye, guys. So you always see her. Hey Felicia, sister. You see her now, right?
In the flesh.
Yes. Finally she's here.
Everybody.
So nice to see my moderator here. And she's also a YouTuber as well too.
Yes.
Right, so tell them what's your YouTube channel's name.
Daniela Faye, and I do culture, travel, and wellness videos.
Exactly.
Yes.
Guys, I've been telling her, so why don't you share your link in the live chat? You know, don't be shy. Tina Lee been saying the same thing, you know, Tina Lee been sharing it for her, but
yes,
I don't know why.
Big up Tina Lee.
Yes, so we have one off.
Yes.
You know, our moderator, so we have another off coming downstairs, right?
Yes.
Another moderator you're gonna see in a minute.
We need a moderator link up.
Hey,
yes, definitely.
It's so good. It's so good to finally put the face to the name. So when you see them type in Daniela Faye, you're like, who's this Daniela Faye? But finally, you see Daniela Faye, you know. So how was your time here in Jamaica so far?
It's amazing. I'm happy to be back.
Hey.
Definitely. I went to Duns River yesterday.
What?
And Kino Falls.
What?
Yeah.
You do a lot.
Yeah. And my first time driving. Oh my God, the roads here are just,
aggressive,
yes,
right?
aggressive. The potholes. I love it, but
you have to get used to it.
Definitely, yeah. Oh my God.
So in Jamaica,
come back
when you drive in the night, right? The car lights are so bright, don't it? You're wondering why the headlamp is so bright.
Yeah. Around the corners and stuff.
Yeah, because they're looking for potholes. So that's why the lights are so bright.
Oh my
you know,
God.
so they're driving looking for potholes. And
I mean, I always hear about it, but I just thought it was like an exaggeration. But now I realize it's the real thing.
It is the real thing. And so the drivers, them drive very aggressive, right? Hey! You see, when you come to Jamaica, you will know the thing. When you're driving, you cannot drive for yourself. Once you start to drive for yourself, that's where they're going to meet in an accident.
Very defensive driving.
Hey, aggressive.
Learning a whole other thing. A different standard of driving. So
too different.
Yeah. Go back home, nobody can tell me nothing. Move out the way.
Yeah, so you just drive like, it's like what you learn here. You go back and you just show it to them. So listen, just I come from yard, you know. Right. And this is what them teach when they drive aggressive. So me, I'm going to beep you. I'm going to overtake you. No, don't overtake me now. No overtake. No overtake.
But I actually like the left side driving.
Yeah?
Yeah, for some reason.
So this Airbnb,
yes.
Tell me about it. What do you think about it? Is it that the name of it, the Bramptons?
Yeah, the Bramptons. I like it. It's nice. I like the security. Definitely. And it's very accessible.
Yeah? Okay. Because you know, them viewers, them always been calling the Kino. Can you tell us where to find a good Airbnb? So here's one as well. You can check it out as well too. You know, you can Google it. You know, the Bramptons.
Yeah, they're condominiums, and then there's people that own them individually. So you know, as long as it's the same building, typically most of the units are still updated too. So,
yeah, because I've been explaining to them the reason why I haven't known. Hey, hello. So guys, I got one more of my moderators here.
Moderator number 1, actually.
Yeah, so it's moderator number 2.
Yeah, this is moderator number 2.
I'm going to finally meet moderator number 2. Number 1, this is Mary D. So you already see my mummy. Finally, you see Mary D. Tina Lee. Mary D. You know the thing go.
Oh goodness.
Hey,
Sabilia.
Hey, the whole team.
Old school, yes, big up on yourself.
And we have the big bro.
Yeah,
we have big bro here.
Yeah.
Finally here in Jamaica. This is Mary D. Big son, right?
Yeah.
The big man. Guys, see? Hey. Finally somebody on my height. So trust me, we're on the same height. Of course. So we're there, man. We're there. Hello. So finally see my moderators. Moderator 1 and moderator 2. And the big man here.
Yeah.
That is it. So guys, so finally put the faces to the names.
So big up Dream Team. I can't wait to meet you guys.
Definitely.
Yes, definitely.
That is it, because most of them probably back now from work or where them been. So Esther is on the road, right? I think she's not gonna be back till about 5 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
So we get still see her, right?
Yeah.
So come on, ladies and guys, so here you go. So we're going into Trench Town. You know how the thing goes already. So guys, so stay tuned, on the journey. That is Mary D. It is Mary D. And her daughter. And her son. Big man. Go walk around yourself. Take out that bag of boom. Take out that.
Esther.
Yeah.
Rasta
Jackson.
Hey, we're good.
So Jackson, that's Mary D. And her son. Come and walk around more. So guys, so Esther is not here yet. And yeah, it's a Barney. Yeah.
Barney back.
Chinaman. Open up. Now we have.
It's in.
Whoa, Mary D. Whoa,
Nice to meet you in person. Too hard, man.
And our son this.
Anna, you have a brother?
Teresa.
I know.
How are you?
That's a big son.
That's my daughter.
Oh, Chef, where are you going over there, so? It's a sea special.
Yeah, man, they call it seafood, Yeah, man, that's the tomato, onion, scallion, pepper, thyme, and It's me and chop.
That's why I say I turn on the road and I smell some.
Yeah, man,
I did too, I smell it too.
Yeah, yes, it come from.
Yeah, man, right here, At the turn, the smell that come up,
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the mice,
No, it smells good,
Twice. Not once, but twice,
So two art, man. So you have to deal with two different things.
Every time.
Crab, crab,
Yeah.
crayfish,
Yeah.
young lobster, I call them,
I know, yeah.
Is it? Yeah.
They are the young
So
lobster.
you're having with it?
I'm going to have bacon chef. You have special, we have it later. Fried dumpling, spice, Irish, carrot.
Sweet corn.
Okay.
By what time early? 7, 6, 8. By 7 o'clock everything up and running,
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Our chef, so I'm a deal with it, Call Jella. Call Jella and them. Yeah, I call her.
Wow, chef.
Yeah, pipe me out youth. Oh, you tell us I had a rich one and me a grew up.
Yeah, I tell us I'm a grew up rich, you know.
I'm a rich one, you know. And him a try to give me some of the richness. Yeah?
Man with it, man, but just show me a friend in me, I tell you so we can add a tip for him. Everything good though?
Yeah, man, you have it, man. Cool, no? Oh, to my phone. Signal go bad. Oh. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Let me not try cash. Whoa, big singer, I know.
No.
Yeah, Whitney Houston is here, you know.
Oh, so she can sing like Whitney?
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Yes.
Favorite singer.
Yeah, the man say favorite, you know, not favorite, you know. Favorite.
You know?
Johnny, you have to make them know what you have, man.
Okay, so I can hold a tune.
Yeah, come
Right?
on,
I can hold a tune. What tune you want me to hold?
Hold anyone for it.
I believe the children on the field.
Alright,
I'm Whitney there. Somewhere to let them live. Inside.
Hey, hold them all.
Give them a sense of
Yeah.
make things easy.
Yeah.
Let the children laugh.
Flavor it.
Remind us all we used to be. Everybody searching for a hero. When people need someone to look up to. Never found anyone who could spare money.
You know what, I'm on the phone now, go through.
A lonely place to be. That's all I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live enough to believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity.
Yeah, Jax. Married it.
Vocal cord. Just like it flow.
Johnny, who's that? She said you don't know.
A hero, right? Making the glasses.
Yeah. You don't know?
Yes. No hero. What?
Prefect. Yes. That's the prefect. I see. Who's that?
And that's my son right there.
Jenna, see there?
How you doing?
The big man, you know? Bigger than you, no prefect and tall.
The only one that can match Kino height.
Yeah.
Hey, man, rest of the jack.
The only one can match my eye. Come, Johnny, it's your turn now, you know. What going on?
What am I gonna sing?
Just sing something. Give us something. Anything. Ding, 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 ding.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Stars right to the beautiful sea. I choose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star I see, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we'd become one right away. Oh, right away. At first sight, I felt the energy of sun rays. And I saw the light inside of your eyes. Shine bright. Yes, tonight. Beautiful, we're like diamonds in the sky. So shine bright.
That is look at dry. Yes, dry out. So me tell you Jackson, whoa, where's that?
Yeah, dance the tengue, yeah? Do the tengue, yeah, mama? Tengue, do the tengue, mama.
You want to sing? Mama. You want to sing me a song? Yeah.
Mama,
Sing a song.
Again, right?
Sing Bob Marley.
Sing Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me. This I do. You know that one?
I know, yes, Jesus loved me.
She can't sing.
The Martin.
She get better man, you see.
Sing a song for me.
I get better.
She
look like your mother.
of a song.
Mama think about something. Mama thinking about something. Right, Mama?
Catch it again.
I worship that, you know.
Yeah, she favorite one.
Don't it? Worship have her so much them look alike.
Yeah. No, Mama. No.
Them have her so much they look alike, you know lie.
Opera over here.
Overeat. Hot. You have to change the setting.
It's not used to the Jamaica weather.
Chicken.
You know, I don't even use it that much. I'm kind of like,
And the settings. We have it on 5K, right?
you can change the settings to what one you need to. Like when you do it, it's like vibrant and stuff.
Yeah, yeah, outdoor. 60 frames per second.
Yeah, change it up.
Heavy. Little 4K. Shorter view. Alright, shorter view. Auto boost 4K 24. Janela, check out the ceramic. So this is Caesar.
Do anything in a clay.
Him not bite it, man. Him don't have any teeth. Him don't have any teeth. This is the ceramic.
Wow.
Or make anything from
Cups, everything. Yeah.
That is
a hand paint.
Do you have any like yeah, I like something like that. Say the ones in Jamaica, right?
No, this is a one in the world.
workshop.
We sell it for 1,500.
But you don't have like a Jamaica,
So I want to represent in Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Like international
Yeah,
orders
take
and stuff.
orders with deposit, you know?
Yeah.
yeah,
So much talent here, you know? In the more
From the Jamaica cricket. Yeah, different. Love.
How much do you want to do?
And you pay one for 1,000.
one with Jamaica on it.
You just say love.
With the island.
The map represent for Jamaica.
Right, yeah.
No need no
Right.
Jamaica on it again after it have the shape, you know? You just need love. Everybody want.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. No peace. I'm dead. Peace of it dead. You never know. Okay. You never go funeral. Alright. So you see where we put the dead? Rest and peace. So you have to know them things that is. So them different, you know. All of them different, you know. Yeah man, no offense, yeah?
You said 1,000.
7 different ingredients.
This, yeah, this is the original
White and
clay.
come white up.
Feel it.
Heavy.
So this is what they mold. So Caesar,
Anyone you choose, man.
what is that make? Vase?
No, them are some steamers me work.
Steamers.
So the kochi.
Okay, the steamers.
Put the herb in it.
Like that one the way steamer we use right now, this is the steamers. This steamers.
This is a kochi.
Okay.
Steamers.
So that's the final outcome.
Yeah, okay, see that's what he's been using.
Yeah.
See him have it there.
So where do you get the inspiration to come up with the styles and stuff?
Alright, first of all, is a man with a seed to make them. And then go around and check some ceramics and then put in deal with it. One come to the end where you make something like this. See? But when more the aloneness tonight, where them couldn't figure how to get the aloneness in it, which is a simple thing to me, I'm in the ceramics. So when you see this is the problem, you know. Take what you want it alone, because aloneness you have to put the herb in there. And then on top now, when you go there, you want it cold. It's cold naturally, burn the steamer. Not just herb alone is so come there that are supposed to know, you know, Dr. Knife, you hear about him, Canine Knife, a Rasta. I think he's a teacher you will want. Yeah. He teacher you will want. You could hear about him. Fire Knife, Canine Knife.
Sees Ireland.
Full jar and a cell.
Yeah, man. So nice. Jamaica.
I don't know who sell it off yourself.
You come? Okay.
King, man.
We're just showing the Bob Marley Street.
Okay.
Right? You have the most birds in the kitchen right now.
Except for Kanoko Falls.
I know.
Kanoko Falls.
Love on them.
Leave me alone.
Love when the wall them fly off one time.
Right.
That's what the birds in Kanoko Falls yesterday. When they still coming back.
I try to talk to him and not talk back to me.
So up there.
Hurts.
He died in England, you know. Yeah. He died in England.
No, I'm taking a picture. Oh, I didn't know you were doing a video. I thought it was a photo.
No picture. So if you go stand beside the One Love.
Yeah. There you go. Blend in with it. With the colors. Okay. You took a picture or a video?
Wait, go back.
Tulang jump up.
Mary. Come, you know. Come on to them way. Come on to them way. Yo, you fling your boss like a girl.
No, we can't fool him.
No, I say when time you run him out a while ago.
Oh, I mean, no.
See ya? Me like.
No. You see, I'm playing tomorrow, one.
Yeah. You still not fling it right, see me?
Warming up.
Yeah. Where me in the kitchen?
Where me?
No, alright, that's nice.
Where me day off today? Yeah, we are doing a student room. Yeah. Ah, cool, no? Road. Christy. Why, Christy?
Oh shit, what boy? Oh, go on, how do you?
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you. What happened? Sorry, I'm so sorry. Actually, you turn your back to me. You know. No, where's Kayla?
So you just know that look up to your pass and that for sure say nah look here so.
Not yet notice.
Yeah.
Like, she gonna leave me?
Yeah.
Kayla problem when she come back. I can't believe Kayla gone. Yeah. Sure, sorry man, no my apology. Okay, that when you call her, tell us a Kino have a wit against her, yeah? Because we never know nothing. Now come for the key for the shop, Robert. Yeah, she keep it from me.
Melly, bye-bye now, yeah.
One B.
Afternoon.
One big man dream, man.
Where's the bring Jim from say?
Yeah. How are you? Drop?
You're in the belly.
Drop on her lip. She can show off. If she can show off, take her a sweetie too. Say something now. Say something now, Dream. Say something now. No answer. You should know what time it is.
Yeah, rolling door. Say I go rolling. Tell him yeah, rolling.
That's why she don't even want it back. I show off your take.
You're getting tall.
Yeah, sure. Shall show off. Show off. It's a dream dog, you know. Debbie. Right timing.
How are you? That's my daughter, my son. Then you have to say, can I get a picture right here?
And this is your son, the big man himself.
Nice to meet you.
That is it. You take a picture?
Oh, right. Say that I've come here.
Yeah. Stand on this side. Phone. Daniela? Alright. So we have some stuff here.
Let's do Esther's first.
Esther.
Hold on.
Oh,
You're gonna hold it?
yeah, I will hold the bag.
Okay. This is just her stuff in here, right?
No, and her mother.
Oh, okay. So you put both of it. How did you wrap the thing for her mom?
So Esther, we got a presentation here for you.
I have it.
It's separate on the side.
So I got my 3 moderators here. 1, 2, 3 moderators. Janiela and Mary D.
So I saw this and I got this for you. Thank you.
And your mother has something.
And your mother has something in there as well. Okay. So the bag is free. I thank you.
So it's a moderator family. So it's from a moderator to a next moderator. So you see guys, that's all the moderator have to live good. And the last time Esther Black
Right, the block and delete me.
Yeah.
As soon as I got my promotion.
Yes. So the first day Johnny get her promotion, Esther say,
They may not run too fast. She can get black, you know.
yeah. And then she get free of.
Wanna smile then?
Alright, and then this is my gift.
Kino.
Did you put something else in it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I have a gift for him.
Well, the one wrapped in the blue is from me, and then the other one that's
From
wrapped
me.
that's
Okay.
Kino, life in Jamaica.
I want to hold this thing. I want to thank them so much. So these are my moderators, which is our extended family. You know, we are thank you so much,
You're
Mary D.
welcome. You're
You know, why I can feel the blessing inside it.
Yep, yeah, that's
Kino is
definitely.
still tall, even though you're down.
Esther, look, come here. See me general. Come here.
Him tall.
Come show them what I go on. Look what I go on now.
Thank you.
See me? You see what I go on? So we have so much to match up to my eye right now. You know?
Almost.
Almost.
Alright, go up, mama see.
You see that now? Where is it now?
Still almost.
Alright,
Yeah,
Almost.
That's as close as you get.
Put look fertilizer upon him feet.
Yes, I want to thank my mother. Thank you so much.
It's two different gifts. That one is from me.
This one is from me. It's a special.
You don't want to see what's going on?
Sneak peek.
Sneak peek. So give them a sneak peek. Look, it have one brown paper bag.
And look at Burger King box.
Yes. And then there's a paper bag here.
Right. And guess what's inside of it?
Beef burger. So yeah, man, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hold it next to one of my art, like Whole Chef.
Okay.
Whole Chef have 2 arts, so me have 2 too.
This one is for Wow Chef.
Wow. Whoa, you know?
Wow Chef is the lieutenant. So you have to make that one. You have to make everybody see
What's your color? What's your color?
That one you
Blue.
can
Yeah.
Blue Chelsea, you know?
So that one them can take it out.
Yeah.
Okay, you see?
Everyone.
So that,
Everybody to see that he's the lieutenant.
okay. The lieutenant, whoa. Hey. Hey. Oh,
Lieutenant, you know?
can they harm me?
U.S. Army.
What film game?
The army man from long time. You, the army man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, always been in the army. You see them, you see him in the army.
In the army, see me, the dream team army.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah, my mommy, thank you very much.
No problem.
Yeah, TV.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ask you more.
Yeah, me want one thing. Oh, me have to bring no, one of them one there.
Huh?
No. Oh, them cool? Them are cool? No,
This one is for
okay.
Jella.
Jella. Come. Okay, alright. That's what I get one cool one from Jordan. That is for Jenna. I run out of memory card. Hold this man.
Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa.
Mother
Hold on.
Teresa.
Alright. So we have one for Mother Teresa.
Thank you very much.
Marie D.
Thank you. God bless you.
Alright. And we have raffle bag, raffle again. Oh, Natisha. Natisha is not here. Natisha is not here, so we'll plug Natisha on. Esther, put that down. Receive that on behalf of Natisha, please.
I'm receiving this on behalf of Natasha.
Psalms. Wow. From what the man get more richer and richer in Nigeria. From what the man get rich. Yeah, rich together. Boom. Come here. Okay.
Kind of many talk back to them. Tell me not to watch up here.
Yes.
Rich together.
Pastor Jackson, where? Look here. Come here. Oh. Yeah. Call name. So come on, I could get married the Janiela and the big man, the son. A round of applause. We thank them so much, for coming by and everything. Give them a round of applause, please. Just want to thank them so much. Perfect, come in. Yeah, man. So we have to give thanks. I appreciate it, because they've been excellent family to the program. Not just now, it's from then. I will thank them so much for coming and visiting us as well too. So we really thank you. Welcome you anytime. You can come here on your own now because you have your name written down. So whenever you come in, you know it's Married, touching down. We have Janiela. So these are our moderators. And I forgot your name again. Hal. So the real big man. So I want to thank them. Whoa, you never there. You never get for clap them. Yeah. Yeah, man, it means the world to us, for you. Because remember, if it wasn't for the good work that we're doing, you wouldn't be here, So we have to look into the goodness that we're doing, I would thank you for the act of kindness as well for helping to support the less fortunate and also the members them so much, So I just want to thank you so much, Marie, Janiela. Thank you so much, our moderator, Yeah.
Where you had to cry.
Of course, General in the army. The General in the army,
Lieutenant.
Jacob.
Lieutenant. Jamie, come.
Come here, Jay.
Jamie! Alicia, Smiley!
Yeah, man.
Jamie, come up.
Yeah, man. So welcome to Trench Town.
Yes, man.
I think finally beat the world chef with the 2 arts.
Yeah, man, is it?
Not once. So many people believe him, Rosa, Rose! Rosa! I walk on the flank. Yeah, again.
So he's from here as well?
Yeah, that's Arthur Ellis' son just passed. And walk gone. I'm still up there, sir? Oh. Rose, that's my saying him so come. Nah, come back. Yeah, him live on 5th Street.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm still here, legend son,
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Oh, and Fancy Cat was over there when was coming down. Fancy Cat himself. Come on that road there. So the place is still full of talent,
Yeah.
The celebrity them still come by see me and us,
But talent, creativity,
So much.
Just literally the opportunity.
Yeah, so much.
Inside.
Of course.
You bring them out into other places and stuff.
Yeah. And then so much nobody really get to show them true talent, because of
Exactly.
the community with the ups and the downs. So hopefully, for the future we can see a better change.
The outside doesn't define them anyway. So it's really just about having those opportunities.
Of course. That is it, man. That is it. Yes, guys, so I want to thank you so much, for watching K Life in Jamaica. I want to thank our moderators. who's also our extended family, you know, for paying us a visit here in Trenchtown, you know. So we thank them once more. I want to thank you guys as well for putting the thumbs up whenever you're watching. So we give thanks and we thank you so much. Blessed love, dream team, one team every time. You know how the thing go. One team, a dream team. Blessed love.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.